Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Learning Scratch with Miss Nuria. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how we can upload our own favorite sprites from the internet and make our own script. So I have already downloaded from the internet some cartoon pictures, okay? So I am especially my favorite cartoon movie is Madagascar. So from this, a very popular naughty character is King Julian. So I have some pictures for King Julian here. So I am going to upload. Okay. So we have I have different pictures. So GIF, it captures lots of movements. We're not going to see that now here. I'm going to show you a simple picture that is JPG. This one, okay? I have removed the background. So this is one of King Julian pictures. Okay, so I clicked on upload sprite and I chose my sprite, and then I'm going to start writing a script. Okay, I even have a sound, okay, for King Julian. So I want to make this program very interesting. I'm going to upload a sound. I also downloaded a sound for King Julian. So I am going to go to here, number of number of downloads that I have sound clips. Okay, from the sound clips I have already downloaded for King Julian, like to move it, for example. Okay, all right, so now I am uploading the sound. Okay, I'm uploading the sound. I am uploading the sound, and I'm going to write a simple script to make this play. Okay, so just using a simple script, on green flag, click, I want King Julian to play, like to move it. But I also want to write script to make King Julian make some movement, okay? So I'm going to use simple commands here, and I'm going to make King Julian move, okay? And I don't want King Julian to move in all directions. I want just to limit this one left to right. Okay, left to right. And then when the edge, reaching the edge, I want it to bounce. Let's hit the program now.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it.
That's it. You can see King Julian is making some movement to the song I Like to Move It. That's it. You can try it on your computer. Let me make this script a bit zoom it out so that you can see. Yeah, you can download the song from the internet. You can download any of King Julian character or pictures from the internet. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.